Buddy, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of output on TikTok. To know how to fix or how to solve output on TikTok, you should just go to settings as you see and you can click. After that, you'll enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you'll enter to the window or to the app of TikTok and you can click in this page. Here in this page of app info, you will enter to first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then we can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You can search about TikTok. If you will find here update in this blue sign, you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.